So right now, Chris is writing down all the things we're gonna need at the store. We're going to build my PC because I don't have a desktop, and I've wanted one for a while now.
Too long.
And he won't just let me buy one. So we're taking money out of the wedding budget, and we're gonna go build a PC. So
much better use of funds.
I agree. Chris is currently writing down everything that we need because it's expensive. I'll let you guys know in total how much we spent at the end of all this. I know how much I want to spend, but I also thought I would do this in $800, and then I picked out a $200 case.
You can do an 800.
For the computer. You can do it for 800. I just am picky, and I have a lot of needs. Would you agree with that?
Yep.
Yeah. So, like I said, Chris is writing everything down so we don't look like idiots when we walk into the store. But he's making me do all the talking and everything, so this ought to be interesting because I don't know jack about computers. So I'm gonna walk up to the guy and be like, "Excuse me, I need a processor." He's gonna be like, "What kind?" And I'm like, "What the process is?" I was trying to help Chris look stuff up online last night, and I was like, he was like, "You need a processor," and I was like, "Okay." So just type processor into the Micro Center search bar, and there was lots of options. So it was a little harder than I thought. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on our little adventure. This is just, we were sitting here and I was doing a whole lot of nothing, so I figured I'd do a little introduction on our computer build journey. See you guys at Micro Center. So we made it to Micro Center. Chris is getting the stroller out of the car so we can put the baby in it. Huh? You. So we're gonna go get the baby. We made it. This is Micro Center. We're gonna go inside. I don't know how much we're gonna record inside because like I'm awkward about recording in public. Chris is probably gonna do a lot of the recording anyway because I'm supposed to be doing the talking. Do you have the notebook? The handy dandy notebook? Alright, so we'll see you guys in there. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So, we're here to buy my PC. Like I said, we got all the things. I did a video, the guy ran, he took our cart, it's full of stuff. Have a monitor picked out down there. But all of a sudden, somebody decided he needed a new keyboard and mouse. So here we are, looking at the Razer Mercury Edition, except they don't have it. And that, I'm gonna ask. Alright, so we're playing a little bit of car Tetris as we try to put the stroller and all the things back in the car. Thank you, Micro Center, for all of your products. Took way too long to check out, but that's fine. Things happen.
We got upgraded parts. This is not the plan.
Yeah, we did get upgraded parts because I'm a sucker. And yeah, so I'm excited about this part. This little guy right here, I'm gonna shut this very, very carefully.
I shut it super carefully. I didn't slam it at all.
So we decided we needed smoothies, so we're making a smoothie break.
There goes the wallet even more.
Yeah, I had tons of money in my bank account and now I got $200. But it's fine. It's fine because computer? PC, useful. I use it for photo editing and video recording and gaming, so it's fine. It makes sense. Good investment. Smoothie! It's done. But I was walking in the house and I found a little shoe just sitting on the steps. Little shoe.
What she got?
A computer!
That's not a computer yet.
But it's all a computer.
I like how you went, all of it's a different brand. Not one of them are the same brand.
No. You picked it all out.
Get some brand loyalty. Not the ass rock.
Razer! I know this isn't technically Razer, but...
You got the the G-Skill Ripjaws things, the EVGA Supernova, the MSI RTX 2060, that disgusting thing, that other disgusting thing, whatever that is, 2 terabyte hard drive, the i5, because you don't need no better, let's be honest. You got a little wireless adapter, and this thing that I didn't even know existed until the guy showed it.
Wait.
And, no, that's not part of the computer.
But you got a new keyboard.
I did get a new keyboard. Bam! It's the same one as mine, except white. Do not.
He's gonna eat Doritos one time. Forget. From his
I'm
hands.
never gonna eat. I wash my hands all the time. So yeah, this is her build. Now she's gonna like build it and stuff.
No. Now there's a good chance we're going to the store to get a cooling system.
We have. That's not what that's called. We just need some fans.
We need fans.
Cool pan with the alcohol in the background. Goodbye. Oh.
I'm not even on the tape, I don't think.
That's not even cutting anything because it's not. You have to open it.
Look.
The celebratory first cut.
An unboxing.
This is not going well.
No, it's not.
She had to get the razor case for it, by the way.
It's not Razor.
It's
is
Leon Lee.
licensed by
Leon Lee PC0111 Dynamic Gaming Chassis.
$150 on Amazon.
170 at Microsoft. It was there though, so
But I wasn't feeling the whole
well.
shit.
Oh! Grab the camera. It's heavy. You're gonna drop it.
I actually have to get my actual camera and set this up, or pop your phone on a tripod. One of two options.
You should have opened it from the bottom. So you just kind of...
You didn't tell me to do that.
Well, I'm flipping it.
Wait, don't flip.
Why?
I was saying I can just slice the bottom open that way, but I guess this will be easier. The huntsman.
Oh no, the huntsman. It's game over. Oh.
Hello, sexy. How you been?
What is that freaking thick pattern?
It's thick.
Oh.
Oh, now it's outside.
Ugh.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, brr. Oh, look at her. Look at her get undressed. Oh. Oh.
What's that? Oh, wrong way.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. The USB ports on the front. Got some headphone jacks and whatever that is.
What? Whatever that is?
Mm-hmm.
That's... I can charge my phone on that. That's a micro, no.
But you can't charge your phone on that, because isn't that the same size as the thing in your phone?
It's the same port.
Right, but you would need to plug in a USB and then plug that size into your phone.
No, you plug... It's got a port for it.
Okay.
Look.
I understand what you're saying, but the phone doesn't... It's two girls. You don't... Never mind.
There's a cable with two males.
I didn't know that.
That's the razor cable.
Well, I guess I need a Razr phone. It's compatible with my computer.
No.
Alright.
Booklet.
So, guys, we forgot some fans for the computer. So, we're going to Best Buy.
Well, what case doesn't come with fans?
This one.
Yours. This is liquid cool.
The worst part is, we talked to the guy at the store, and he was like, "Yo, I'll grab the fans," and then he didn't grab the fans.
He was supposed to grab one fan.
A singular fan.
It was the CPU cooler.
So, is that different than another fan? Like, do you have to get...
It's way different than another fan, but I don't care. We'll use the base CPU cooler.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy, see what I can find. So we're going. Back in the car. The baby just wants to nap, but we're going mobile. Hopefully he fell asleep in the car. See you guys at Best Buy. So we're going into Best Buy. My brother-in-law works here, so I'm hoping I can find him to just find what I need, because I really have no idea what I'm looking for. And I told Kristen the baby to stay in the car because the baby's super tired. It's supposed to be super fast. This is way more expensive than I thought it was going to be. I'm not excited. So we're heading in. We'll see how this goes. Feels good. So of course, knowing my luck, I couldn't find the right thing, so I had to call Chris in, and Best Buy employees weren't helpful, which is why I will never go to the other one, and I hate this one near my house. Yeah. We're leaving Best Buy. We got the fans. We were just gonna get 6 black fans, like 6 black fans, super easy, super cheap, right? Well, no, of course they don't have 6 just black fans. So then we were gonna do 3 RGB fans, 2 LED blue fans, and 1 black fan. But then, like, I didn't like the way that was gonna look. It was, like, bugging me. So we just got 2 3-packs of RGB lights for, like, $80 each. And then spending $168 on fans. Never build your own PC.
No.
Don't listen to me.
Always
But, like, Jesus Christ.
Don't get name brand fans.
Yeah. Thank you, Corsair. Well, someone can't get open box fans.
And someone can't leave a Best Buy without insulting them.
Yeah, I definitely, like I said in the one I was recording in Best Buy, my brother-in-law works at the Best Buy, and we were walking out. I was like, I'm gonna call him and say, why does your Best Buy suck? Right as the guy was like, oh, have a good day. I'm like, oops, sorry.
We will know that we're not there.
Huh?
We will know that we're not
Yeah,
there.
we're gonna have a good day now when we go home, and we put the baby down for a nap. We'll get something to eat.
Start building it,
and then I'm no longer having a good day when I start to
Mom
build it.
comes home and everything is
Shit. And I still have to make dinner.
God.
I'm not making dinner.
Where'd you get that money for the year?
Where did money come from? It was a gift to myself, from myself. Don't ask questions. But yeah, we're gonna go build our PC now. We're finally going home. Again, going home, part 2. See you guys there. Hey guys, what's up? So if you watched our little vlog, you saw that we decided that I was going to build my own PC. We decided to go this route just because I needed to do lots of things that if I bought one, it would either be for gaming or for like photo editing and stuff, but you can't really find one to buy that's good for both. So we decided we were just going to build one that could satisfy all of my needs. This way it might be a little cheaper, right? That's the goal. It's a little cheaper this way. I don't feel like it. My wallet's not feeling
It's
like
cheaper. Cheaper. Satisfaction.
It's supposed to be cheaper, and you're supposed to get more satisfaction out of it from building it on your own. Don't know if that's true, but we'll find out. So I bought all the stuff. We're going to build it. We had to run back to the store to get something else. And Chris is going to download an operating system somehow, somewhere, because I can't afford it, so he better find a way to make this work. And yeah, so we're just going to get started. ate dinner, and we had salmon. I made it. It was good, right? You liked it?
You don't have a seatbelt.
Okay, I'll put my seatbelt on. So, because that's what that's made for, is mobile recording.
Yeah, right? Oh, it's gonna fall.
So, anyway, we just ate dinner. We realized about halfway, I would say we were like halfway through the computer build, maybe.
We opened the processor, and 9 times out of 10, the processor has a fan with it, and this one didn't.
Yeah, so we have no fan for our processor, so we have to go buy one. Again, this is our second time running back out to the store because we had to get other fans. So we're going back to Micro Center because Best Buy never has what we want, or at least our Best Buy never has what we want. I just thought that lady was not wearing pants. So we're going back to Micro Center to buy a processor. Fan, not a processor. Processor, fan. Oh, a dragon. Dragon. So yeah, we're going to Micro Center. This is gonna be a long vlog.
It's gonna be a long video in general.
Yeah.
Howdy.
Hope you guys are enjoying it thus far. So we'll see you at Micro Center, part 2. Yay! Love backtracking. Back! You happy to be back at Micro Center?
I'm so happy to lose all my money again.
You love Micro Center.
I love Micro Center when I have more money.
Micro Center. I think this is the most money we've ever had when we went to Micro Center.
Yeah,
Well, not right now. Earlier was.
It was all for you.
Whee! Alright. We're gonna go inside. What's this button do? I just pushed a button. It's not doing nothing. We're going in the Micro Center! Yay! Part 3 of shopping for a PC. The irony here is part of the reason that I wanted to go to Micro Center in the first place was because I was like, oh, we can get everything in one place and just bring it home. It'll be easy and we'll have no problems. Third store, same Micro Center, but we had to go back. We keep forgetting shit. And Chris is the one building my computer because I'm getting frustrated. So honestly, this is not going as planned. I'm gonna have a great PC at the end of all this, but yep. So not only were we able to get the part we need in like 2 seconds, because I asked the guy and he was like, yeah, we got it. We got an extra part that we didn't, well, that we didn't come for, because he was running through the list of with us of things we needed, which I kind of wish someone else had done.
She got a solid state drive.
Yeah, we got a solid state drive, whatever the hell that means. But I'm gonna put this here while I put my seatbelt on.
She is going to love it, and she doesn't even know it yet.
But like super fast, and the guy even told Chris how to put it in the computer. Like he pulled it up. Super helpful. Recommend Micro Center if you're in like the Delaware County area at all. I mean, I doubt it. The odds of anyone.
This is not the only one on the planet.
But this one I know is good.
Ohio, Texas, Virginia, I think. There's a couple.
Go to Micro Center. They know what they're talking about. They'll get you hooked up.
If you can go to a tax-free state, though, do that. Because my bejeebus will.
But like I said earlier, when I snuck off to grab my keyboard, literally the guy was like, "Oh, what do you need?" And I was like, "I have this list. I don't know what half of it is." He's like, "I'll take your list." Took my list, took our cart, went to the back, and just put everything in it.
Super helpful.
So easy. And he was back in not even 10 minutes. Like, super fast, and they actually know what they're talking about. Like, a lot of the people who work there actually, like, build their own computers and stuff. So, it's not like going to Best Buy and
what do you
maybe they know what you need. Not to hate on Best Buy, because the one a little farther from home is a lot better than the one that we went to earlier. But I prefer Micro Center. A little pricier sometimes for certain things. But, I mean, I'll pay more if I'm actually going to get what I want.
And better service with more respect to the... I love it. It's great. This is my home. That's my home away from home.
Got Red Bull.
She got Red Bull. I got Monster. This is going to take a bit.
We're going to go home, finish building the computer. And then I have to straighten up the attic and move the desks before we can set up the computer. And then I can edit this video and get it uploaded. So, we'll see you guys when we get home for more stuffs. Bye-bye for nails. Bye-bye. We're hopping on the blue route. Bye-bye. Plug her in.
Moment of truth.
I was really gonna laugh. It would have turned on.
Yes! The bottom ones won't color though, the top ones will.
That's because we just gotta put like a program in, right? Like you just program them.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
But even then, I kind of like the bottom ones not having color.
Yeah, I don't mind it that much. They're fanning though, right? Are they on?
Yeah, all the fans are on.
Guys, we did it.
It's quiet. It's super quiet.
I don't hear
compared to
thing.
mine.
You jealous?
I did it. Dude, I've been jealous of this build since the start.
I'm into it. I'm into it. It's hot.
Football!
Can you like put the case back together now so I can see what it all looks like?
Alright, but I'm not gonna do that once.
Yeah, that's fine. But then I'm gonna have you turn it back on so I can take a picture of it.
Yeah. I love that.
Ready? Let's do it. Plug her in.
Moment of truth.
I was really gonna laugh. It would have turned on.
Yes! The bottom ones won't color though, the top ones will.
That's because we just gotta put like a program in, right? Like you just program them.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
But even then, I kind of like the bottom ones not having color.
Yeah, I don't mind it that much. They're fanning though, right? Are they on?
Yeah, that.
So we did it. It's done. It's built. Chris did all the hard work. I helped manage some cables. It looks super sexy. I'm a fan. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and computer build that took hours, but I'm sure in editing it won't.
I tried the Warner.
Took forever.
She's like, oh, it's gonna take like 2 hours once we have the parts.
Alright, but now we have to go rearrange our desks and everything to set it up.
Room tour coming soon.
Room tour coming soon.
Maybe
to a channel near you.
To all 3 channels near you.
To all 3 channels near you.
Probably.
What did we learn?
Positive to the positive, negative to ground. Phineas and Ferb.
Alright guys.
Ow. Thought I deserved to be slammed.
Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. comment some stuff down below. I don't know what. Usually I have a prompt. This time I don't have a prompt. I don't know. I'm gonna link everybody's channels.
Links everywhere.
So you can do the things.
Links everywhere. It's like a link parade.
Link. Alright, see you guys next time. I'm just gonna go.
Peace out.
Hold on 1 second. We're just gonna go.
No fingerprints though, you know.
That's my computer. Lace up. Alright, guys. See you next time. Bye.
So after looking around for about 20 minutes, thinking, oh, there's a crap ton of discs. There's only one for the motherboard. I already did the wireless adapter one, so that works. That's good. I have internet, I think, on her computer. It's not on at the moment. This is still the laptop. But I have to move the motherboard over, get that set up, then the USBs will work, hopefully. Hopefully I plugged them in right. And if I didn't, she's not having USBs. But after that, everything should just work. Because the rest of the drivers should just install and it should be hunky-dory. I thought there was a video card one, but it seemed to be wrong. To be determined going forward. Anywho, yeah. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back to you guys hopefully soon. Hey guys, so at this point I'm taking this over. I have a bunch. So the computer's built. You got the monitors, all her stuff is set up. She hasn't touched it yet because now I have to download a little software. Now we didn't need a disk drive with the PC because there's no slot for it. So I have to use this old janky. Trying not to show too much of the background. This old janky laptop. It's a Dell. It has disk drive. It's for my work actually. Free work computer. Shout out to Redline. Anywho, so I have to use this drive to put all the stuff on a USB drive to then plug it into the motherboard, get everything downloaded onto the PC. My brain's fried. I've been at this for too long. We have to put it on the PC, and then from there, it should all work. And I have about half an hour to do this. There's not nearly enough time. But luckily you guys won't have to watch that, and I will just speed all of it up because sitting here looting Mars is my job, not yours. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I'm about done. Alright, bye for now. Well, not really bye, you'll be here the whole time, but you know what I mean. Girl's home.
Hi.
Finally got the drivers on the desktop. It's gonna be a while. This has happened 3 times now. And Microsoft requires a password, so I can't just let it do its thing. Yay!